All right, so I'm in western Lee Summit, Missouri. This is the Thunderbolt, one of the 3 Thunderbolts left in Lee Summit. We're over by the Longview College. This siren is still hooked up, but I do have some bad news because as of August of 2025, it's on its way out. But I took a look at the Thunderbolt controls. It is still hooked up, so this is going to be its last test. So I'll be getting to that footage shortly. Okay, well, I guess that was a good test. I literally did not think the 130 was hooked up yet. I was started to hear the Thunderbolt going off, and while it was about 30 seconds in, I started hearing a 2001, wondering what the heck. I look over and the 130 is also going off. So that made it extra louder here, but in terms of loudness, the Thunderbolt's always going to be the winner. So, but again, this is probably the last test for the Longview Thunderbolt in Lee Summit. Sucks to see this thing going, but at the very least, this one's doesn't have any problems before it's going. That thing sounds pretty good. So, all right, well, I guess that'll do for this video. Thanks for watching. Rest in peace to Longview Thunderbolt in Lee Summit, Missouri.